Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk. Well, hey family, happy Saturday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. I want to show you how I use these. They look like peanuts, little like peanut beads. So when I got them, I wasn't really sure what I was going to do with them because they just like some, they're different beads and they almost look like they could have been like kitty beads, right? So I wasn't sure what I was going to do with these. But then what I did is I went ahead and painted some 15 millimeter beads and I just painted them in a color wash. So that's what I did. Went ahead and mixed these beads with the color wash beads and they came out really nice. Because I tried mixing the beads with some other beads and it just didn't come out looking good. So I said, okay, I'm gonna have to try something. I don't know what, but I'm gonna have to try something. So I said, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and just color wash some beads and then go ahead and match those beads to these peanut beads. So with them, I am going to put charms on all of them. So they're going to end up being charm beads like this one here. Well, these two. So if you ever see these beads or if you have some of these beads and you're like, what in the world am I going to do with those beads? You can mix them, but you have to find the right bead to mix them with. I even tried mixing them with a black bead that I have and they just didn't look good. Let's see, this little bead right here, these little nuggets, I went ahead and made the nuggets the focal on each one of them. So you can see that here. And then the purple. And then went ahead and surrounded it with the peanut beads. And then also these other beads right here, I wasn't sure. I think I got a couple of these left. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with these beads. So these, I think these are ceramic beads, these right here. The purple, orange. So I said, you know what? I will go ahead and mix them with the color wash beads. And this is how they came out. So these I am not going to put charms on. I'm going to leave these just like this. These are adorable. And I am tempted to add the bead and make it a set. So add these two bracelets together and make it a set. Because again, I went ahead and these big orange shell beads are shells that I got in a gift box. And I was like, okay, well, what am I going to do with those too? So everything worked out to where I went ahead and matched those shell beads with the color wash beads that I did. And all of them came out really nice. I like the way they all look. Very different, really unique bracelets. So they did very well. I could almost make stacks out of these, huh? So they came out really well. I like the way they all came out because I was like, I don't know what I'm going to do with those peanuts. I don't know what I'm going to do with these other ones, but I like the colors, right? So it just had to figure something out. Okay, how am I going to match these? What am I going to do? So they came out great. I really like them. So I wanted you to see what they look like just in case you get some of the beads. You got to really figure out the coordination of beads with them. If not, they'll start looking like kitty bracelets. And that is not what we wanted. But I really enjoy the way these look right here. Just really fun and festive and, you know, like easy and bright to wear like on any day. So these are really nice right here. And I know people are like into fall colors and all this other kind of stuff. I don't get caught up in the seasons and things. I've done that stuff before. And you end up a lot of times with a lot of extra inventory that, you know, that you have. And you end up a lot of times having to take things apart and reusing it and that kind of stuff. So I too much don't get caught up in it. I'll do a couple of items that are those colors, but I don't say these are fall items or these are Halloween or these are, people gonna buy what people gonna buy. It's just what it is. But anyway, that's these. And I think I have a whole bag left. I bought 1,000 of these 15 millimeter raw wood beads. So while I'm looking at these, I'm going to color mat some more of these because there's a couple of other beads down here that I haven't used yet. And I was trying to figure out what am I going to do with them. But I'll go ahead and color wash them, maybe like the black and something else, and then go ahead and make some more bracelets like these because I really like these. These are really nice right here. And this mixing that. But anyway, just wanted you guys to see that. But anyway, it's Saturday. I hope everybody have a really, really good day. And guess what? We'll talk.